मेरा क्या मतलब, मुझे जानता है
सर मैं रोज़ देखता हूँ,
क्या है,
न्यूज़ पर रोज़ देखता हूँ।
नहीं कौन हूँ
अब ऐसा नाम वो कर रहा है।
तू कौन है? खामोखा बकवास कर रहा तो
सर मैं आपके साथ ही हूँ सर, मैं कोई वो
हमारे
नहीं
साथ
हूँ।
कहाँ से आ गया तो?
चल
Joining us live with more on this. Sumi, over to you. We are also getting an update as to how the Ghaziabad DM has ordered protesters at the Ghazipur border to vacate the area by late evening. Absolutely, Richa. That's what the latest that we are breaking right now. That the Ghaziabad, the Ghaziabad administration has also given an order and has asked the farmer unions to evacuate the Ghazipur border, which has been occupied by them since November 26th. And what we are also picking up, which is also one of the latest development and one of the biggest developments of today, is that Rakesh Tikait will also surrender. He's also likely to surrender as per our sources, and in fact, he's waiting for the administration to gather here and have a word with him. And once he, once he has a conversation with the administration, only then he'll strategize and chalk out the further planning. But all the tents. All right, we'll fix that audio with my colleague Sumi, and as she was stating that the Ghaziabad DM has now ordered protesters at Ghazipur to vacate the area by late evening. Otherwise, they will be forcefully evacuated by night. There is a heavy police deployment at the protest site, and these are the latest visuals on the screen right now coming in from that area in Ghaziabad, where Rakesh Tikait is also present. And we'll also try to shortly go back to my colleague Sumi, getting us the latest from there. But the latest that we are picking up is that there is a high amount of drama as well as action that is now being expected to be taken, not just by the Delhi police, but also the Ghaziabad DM that has now ordered protesters at the Ghazipur border that have been there for almost 2 months now to vacate the area by late evening, and otherwise they will have to face in fact, be forcibly evacuated by night as well. And there is also heavy police deployment at this particular protest site. Remember, a total of 20 such notices have also been sent out, that is show cause notices by the Delhi police to 20 farmer union leaders. One of them is also Rakesh Tikait. And as my colleague Sumi has been indicating, sources stating that there might be a possibility that Rakesh Tikait might surrender himself in front of the police as well. Let's listen into this official reaction coming in.
हिंसात्मक घटना हुई है, अगर उसमें किसी का कोई पार्टिसिपेशन है तो अगर दिल्ली पुलिस हमसे सहायता मांगेगी तो हम अवश्य सहायता देंगे। हम ऐसे किसी भी तत्व को अपने यहाँ रखेंगे नहीं या पनपने नहीं देंगे जिसने इस तरह की राष्ट्रीय पर्व के दिन जो घटना की है। इसके साथ साथ हम लोग सबका सहयोग भी मांग रहे हैं और लोगों ने हमें निश्चिंत भी किया है कि इस तरह के किसी भी उपद्रवी तत्व को हम अपने यहाँ शरण नहीं देंगे।
All right, so that was the official reaction coming in from the Lucknow ADGP that stated in clear words that the Ghaziabad DM has now ordered the protesters at Ghazipur to vacate the area by late evening. Otherwise, they will be forcibly evacuated by night. We listen into some more reactions, political reactions coming in.
दूसरी जो 26 जनवरी को जो हुई घटना है, जिसमें जो हिंसकारी है, जो हिंसा भी क्या मतलब वो जो लाल किले के अंदर जो गए उनके ऊपर कोई कार्रवाई नजर नहीं आ रही। लेकिन किसान नेता जो एग्रीमेंट के तहत जिस रास्ते से जाना था ट्रैक्टर परेड को, जो उस रास्ते से गए, उनके ऊपर एफआईआर दर्ज करके कानूनी कार्यक्रम शुरू किया। ये हम समझते हैं कि ये जनवारी अधिकारों के ऊपर एक घोर दमन है। इसके खिलाफ हम सभी पार्टियों ने इसका विरोध करते हुए बहिष्कार किया। सिर्फ 16 पार्टी ही नहीं, कई सारे और पार्टियां अलग से वो भी अपने अपने घोषणाएं की, जैसे आप हुआ, जैसे अकाली दल हुई, वो भी अपने अपने घोषणाएं की कि वो भी बहिष्कार करेंगे।
जो है साडा शांतिपूर्ण मार्च सी, शांतिपूर्ण ही गए तो रिंग रोड पर रहे हैं, रिंग रोड पर आ गए हैं। लाल किले में साडा कोई आदमी नहीं गया, ठीक है जी, कोई आदमी साडा नहीं गया। रिंग रोड पर सानू नहीं पता कौन लोग गए हो, उन्होंने की उत्थे कीता वा, ਜੋ ਪਰਚੇ ਕੀਤੇ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਦੀ ਬੁਖਲਾਹਟ ਦੀ ਨਿਸ਼ਾਨੀ ਆ, ਘਬਰਾਹਟ ਦੀ ਨਿਸ਼ਾਨੀ ਆ, ਤਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਪਰਚਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਨਿਖੇਧੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਤੇ ਤੁਰੰਤ ਰੱਦ ਕਰਨ ਦੀ ਮੰਗ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ। ਨਹੀਂ ਤੇ ਪਰਚਿਆਂ ਵੀ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਆ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਖਿਲਾਫ ਵੀ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸੰਘਰਸ਼ ਦਾ ਹਿੱਸਾ ਬਣਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਔਰ ਇਹ ਪਰਚੇ ਦੇ ਖਿਲਾਫ ਮੋਦੀ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਨੂੰ ਘੇਰਾਂਗੇ। ਮੋਦੀ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਨੇ ਇਹ ਪਰਚੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਆ ਝੂਠੇ ਕੀਤੇ ਆ, ਗਲਤ ਕੀਤੇ ਆ। ਅਸੀਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਉੱਥੇ ਗਏ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਗੇ ਲਾਲ ਕਿਲ੍ਹੇ ਤੇ, ਸਾਡੇ ਤੋਂ ਕਿਉਂ ਪਰਚੇ ਕੀਤੇ ਆ? ਇਸੇ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਆਮ ਲੋਕ ਗਏ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਕੀ ਕਸੂਰ ਆ? ਜਿਹੜਾ ਬੰਦਾ ਕਸੂਰਵਾਰ ਆ, ਕੋਈ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਬੰਦਾ ਉੱਥੇ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਵਾਇਰਲ ਕਰਦਾ ਵਾ ਜਾਂ ਕੋਈ ਹੋਰ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਦਾ ਵਾ, ਉਹ ਭਾਜਪਾ ਦਾ ਆਪਣਾ ਆਗੂ ਆ, ਉੱਥੇ ਜੋ ਕਰਨੀ ਕਾਰਵਾਈ ਕਰਨ।
Let's go across to my colleague Sumi now joining us live from the Ghazipur area. Sumi, we are getting an update as to how the local DM has now ordered that all the protesters from there will have to evacuate, otherwise they will be taken out forcefully. At the same time, security in the area has also been beefed up.
Learning here that the Ghaziabad administration has ordered the farmer unions to evacuate this particular Ghaziabad border, which they had been occupied since November 26th, and the evacuation will happen forcefully if they fail to do so. And in fact, Rakesh Tikait, while addressing the media after making his farewell speech from the stage, he very clearly said that we are not being given a proper water supply. Our electricity has also been removed, which is why that is a heavy indication that the administration wants us to leave the Ghaziabad border. And in fact, he also said he is very likely to surrender as well, and that's what we are learning from our highly placed sources. And the 3-tier security has also been placed. The tear gas vehicles have also been called, which wasn't here until recently. And in fact, the CISF, RAF and the CRPF have been deployed here, and they will be marching towards the tents to evacuate them. And most of the farmers have already evacuated their tents on their own, knowing that the kind of anger that they have instilled among the citizens of the country after the violence that erupted on the 26th of January. So they themselves are very much on the back foot, and they are very much fearful. And Rakesh Tikait also said this one thing, that he is waiting for the administration to have a word with them and further, chalk out the strategy as to how they will operate and how they will go about this. But the UP government has also given them an ultimatum to evacuate this very point, this very place. That is very clear that this agitation, the one part of the agitation here at the Ghazipur border, will certainly see a wrap-up by the end of this evening. And how that happens, the dramatic visuals Republic Media Network will certainly show our viewers. But so far, what we have learned is that Rakesh Tikait is very much likely, to surrender. And he also said that he will respond to the lookout notices that have been issued against him.
In fact, Sumi, we already have about 4 of the farmer unions announcing their withdrawal from the farmers' agitation. Well, at the same time, it's not just the farmers now protesting, but we have seen more protests erupting, asking these farmers to vacate. Because remember, post what happened on 26th of January, there is a lot of anger amongst people of the disrespect that was shown to our constitution as well as our tricolor.
चिपका दिया तो मैं कानून को मानने वाला आदमी हूँ।
तो अब आगे क्या होगा?
All right, so that was an official reaction coming in from Rakesh Tikait, who is at that border area as well. We are expecting that any time now that an entire area will be evacuated.